everyone, welcome to my channel Twinkle Teaches, and here is your friend Twinkle. Hope you all are doing good with your studies as we are discussing all about topology, and here is the next topic in this list. It is the theorem which relates the closure of a set and accumulation set of a set. That is, if we have a topological space X tau and A is any random subset from this set X, then closure of A is equals to the set A union with A prime. Here A prime is the derived set, that is, it is the collection of all the limit points of the set A. What are the limit points I have discussed previously, and the link is available in the description box. And A closure, it is the intersection of all closed subsets containing the set A. Or in other language, we can say that closure is the intersection of all closed supersets of A. So what we get from here, A closure is containing the set A. Hence, we will use this property, A is a subset of A closure. We will prove our theorem in two parts. In first part, we will show that closure of A is a subset of A union A prime. And in another part, we will show that A closure is containing the set A union A prime. So let us start. The process of part 1 we will follow A belonging to A closure, then we will show that A belongs to A union A prime. And in second part, we will follow a contradiction method to show that A union A prime is contained in A prime. We will assume that A union A prime is not a subset of A closure, and we will show that this is a contradiction. So let us start with our part 1 of the theorem, which says that A closure is a subset of A union A prime. We will use two basic results. A is a subset of A closure and interior of A is contained in A. I have previously made videos on these topics and that is available in the description box. So let us start. If A belongs to A closure, then there are two possibilities. Either A belongs to A closure only, or A belongs to the set A closure in which the set A is not included, as we know that A is a subset of A closure. So let us start. A belongs to A. We have taken a point small a from the set capital A, and we know by property of closure set that A is contained in closure of A. So this implies A belongs to A closure. We can write it as A belongs to A union A prime. Why? Because the definition of union, if A belongs to A union A prime, it means that either A belongs to A or A belongs to A prime. That is, A must be contained in one of them. Either A belongs to A or A belongs to A prime. Here we have A belongs to A. Then we can say that A belongs to A prime. So our first condition, or you can say the first case of the part 1 is done, in which we have seen that if A belongs to A closure, then A belongs to A union A prime. Now we will discuss this second case in which small a is not the part of capital A, that is A belongs to A closure minus A. So let us come to the second part. Here A belongs to A closure minus A. Now we will use the definition of interior point of a set. Also we will use the result interior of A is contained in the set A, as it is the collection of all open sets of the set A. So by definition of interior of a set, if U belongs to tau and A is belonging to the open set U, then we say that point A is the interior point of the set capital A if A belongs to U and that is contained in capital A. You can understand it pictorially. If this is the set X on which the topology tau is defined and here is your subset A, then a point A, small a is here and this is the open set U and this is known as the interior point of the set capital A. Now we claim that if A does not belong to the set capital A, this implies that small a does not belong to the interior of capital A, as interior of small a is capital A is the smaller set by comparing to the set capital A. So we can say that A intersection U excluding the point small a is also non-empty, as we take intersection of this A and this U and exclude this point, then that set will not be empty. We can understand it pictorially. A intersection U excluding the point A is non-empty. This implies that A belongs to A prime, as it is the definition of limit point of a set. Then what we have, A does not belongs to capital A and A belongs to the A prime. We can write it as A belongs to A union A prime, as we have recently seen that OR means either A belongs to A or A belongs to A prime. Here A is belonging to the set A prime. So we can say that A belongs to A union A prime. So we have started from A belonging to A closure minus A and we have reached to A belongs to A union A prime. So case 2 of the part 1 of the theorem is also done, that we started from A belonging to A closure minus A and we have seen A belongs to A union A prime. So we are done. Now let us come to the second part of the theorem, in which we will show that A union A prime is a subset of closure of the set A. In this part, we will use contradiction method to show that A union A prime is a subset of A prime. We will first assume that A union A prime is not a subset of closure of A, and we will show that this is a contradiction and our aim will be proved. So let us start from A belonging to A union A prime. So by expanding the union, we can write either A belongs to A or A belongs to A prime. We will be having two cases, first and second, as A belongs to A or A belongs to A prime, and both cases will contradict the statement we have assumed. So let us start with first A belongs to A. So in first case, A belongs to A, which implies A belongs to A closure by this property, which is a contradiction, as recently we have assumed that A union A prime is not a subset of A closure. So what we get, this two things implies A does not belongs to the set A, as it is contradicting the statement we have assumed. Now we will come to the second case. A belongs to A prime, but A does not belongs to A, as we have recently seen that A belongs to A is contradicting the statement we have assumed. So we will choose A does not belongs to A. So this will imply that we are picking element A from the set A prime minus A. That is, we have assumed a point A in which set A is not included. as we know that for limit points there are two cases. In first case, the open set U is intersecting the set A and point A is not contained in the set A. It is this case. And in the another case, when we have point A is also included in the set and U is intersecting the set A, as you can see here. So we are considering this case in which point A is excluded from the set A, as point A is not belonging to the set A. By definition of accumulation set, we know that for every U belongs to tau in which the point A is included, that is, U is any open set in the topological space X tau in which point A is included, then U intersection A excluding the point small a, then that set is non-empty. We can write it for A closure also, that is U intersection A closure excluding the point A is non-empty. Why? Because we know that A is a subset of A closure. Then it suggests us that A belongs to the accumulation set of A closure. That is, A belongs to A closure. So our second part is also done, in which we have assumed that A is a member from A prime in minus A, and we reached that A belongs to A closure, which is a contradiction to the statement which we have assumed that A union A prime is not a subset of A closure. That is, A union A prime is not a subset of A closure. This assumption is wrong. Then we get A union A prime is a subset of A closure. So in part 1, we have seen A closure is a subset of A union A prime. And in the second part, we have seen by contradiction method that A union A prime is a subset of A closure. In combining these two results, we can say that A union A prime is equals to closure of the set A. And by using this result, you can find closure of many of the sets. Hope you all have got this theorem which relates accumulation set and closure of a set in a topological space. That is, closure of A is equals to A union A prime. If you have any suggestions and queries, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can provide it in the email ID given here. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy learning.